Hi! Welcome to Platform Mastery, your go-to page to master your favorite tech platforms. For today's video, I will show you how to use BlueWillow AI on mobile. BlueWillow AI is an art generator, allowing anyone to easily create beautiful and stunning artwork with just few clicks. To start, simply go to web browser of our mobile device. Once open, simply go to BlueWillow AI. Make sure that you already had an account, and then tap on Try Now for free. Now, you will be routed on Discord application. Just simply tap on Accept Invite. And then, we are now inside Willow AI. Basically, here you can choose channel that you want to join. So here, let's try to create an image that we would like. Just simply type in, then the prompt word will automatically appear. And start now to type in the description of our image. Let's say Wonder Woman with flashing background. While waiting, we can also see here different images appearing on the chat box from different users. And then, right here is our generated image. As we can see here, the image was perfectly generated with our given description. Let's try another one. Let's type in futuristic and aesthetic house for doomsday. And again, let's wait for our image here. If we didn't see that it was already generated, we can scroll back and forth on the chat box to see our image. And it was here. And that is how to use BlueWillow AI on mobile. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, please click on the notification bell and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Bye!